find peace with God, the Lord will bless His people with peace. Psalm chapter 29 verse 11. How do we find peace with God? We must stop fighting. We must surrender. We must serve. Of course, these steps will be motivated by faith and mingled with love. Having found peace with God, next we experience the peace of God. This peace of God is not a mere abstraction advocated by preachers and theologians. Thousands of people can witness that they have actually experienced the peace of God and have found it wonderfully adequate for this present day. For He is our peace. Prayer for the day. Father, I thank You for the peace You have given to me, which does not depend on feelings or circumstances.